Have you ever wondered what happens after a customer clicks buy on your alidropship store? You've got the sales, the marketing is humming, but then what? The real magic. And sometimes the biggest headache lies in actually getting that product from your supplier to your excited customer. If you're using alidropship, you know the power of automation, but even with the best tools, understanding the nuances of order processing is crucial for scaling your business and keeping your customers happy. Today, we're diving deep into the essential yet often overlooked process of fulfilling alidropship orders. This isn't just about clicking a button. It's about optimizing your workflow, avoiding common pitfalls, and ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your buyers. We'll cover everything from receiving the order to tracking it all the way to your customer's doorstep. Get ready to streamline your dropshipping operations and elevate your customer satisfaction, because mastering order processing is the backbone of a successful alidropship venture. So let's break down exactly how to process alidropship orders step by step to ensure efficiency and customer satisfaction. The journey begins the moment a customer completes a purchase on your alidropship store. Your first point of contact with this new order will be within your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to the alidropship section and then click on Orders. Here, you'll see a list of all incoming orders. New orders will typically have a status like new or pending payment. It's essential to regularly check this section, ideally multiple times a day, especially during peak sales periods. Prompt action here sets the tone for your customer's experience. Before you jump into placing the order with your supplier, it's a good practice to quickly review the order details. Look for any red flags. Does the shipping address seem complete and accurate? Are there any unusual quantities or product variations? While alidropship automates much of this, a quick manual check can save you headaches later. If anything looks suspicious, like multiple orders from different cards to the same address or drastically different billing and shipping details, consider reaching out to the customer for verification. This small step can help you avoid potential fraud and chargebacks. Once you've verified the order, it's time to fulfill it through AliExpress. This is where the alidropship plugin truly shines. For each order in your alidropship orders section, you'll see an option to place order automatically or a similar button, often represented by a small shopping cart icon. Clicking this button is the core of the automated process. What happens next is pure automation magic. Provided you are logged into your AliExpress account in the same browser, the alidropship plugin will automatically open AliExpress, navigate to the correct product page, select the exact product variation, size, color, etc. that your customer ordered, add it to your AliExpress cart, and then, most importantly, fill in your customer's shipping details directly into the AliExpress checkout form. This eliminates manual data entry errors and saves you a tremendous amount of time, especially as your order volume grows. Now, a critical step often overlooked: adding a note to the AliExpress supplier. Before you finalize the payment on AliExpress, look for the Leave a Message for the seller box. In this box, you must include a message similar to "We are dropshipping." Please do not include any invoices, promotional materials, or your store's branding in the package. Thank you. This is crucial to maintain the dropshipping illusion and prevent your customer from discovering the true source of their product, which can lead to confusion or even dissatisfaction. Make this a habit for every single order. After adding the note, proceed to payment on AliExpress. Use your preferred payment method. Once the payment is successfully processed, the alidropship plugin will automatically detect this and update the order status in your WordPress store to processed. This automation is invaluable as it keeps your store's records accurate and your customer informed if you have automated email notifications set up. The next phase involves tracking. After the AliExpress seller ships the item, they will provide a tracking number. The alidropship plugin is designed to automatically retrieve this tracking number from AliExpress and add it to the corresponding order in your store. This is vital for customer satisfaction. You want to ensure your customers receive real-time updates on their package's journey. It's a good practice to periodically check the shipped orders in your alidropship panel. You can often see the tracking number directly there. You might also want to use a third-party tracking app or website to monitor the progress of packages, especially for orders that seem to be taking longer than expected. Proactive tracking allows you to anticipate and address potential shipping delays before they become a customer service issue. If a tracking number isn't updated automatically for some reason, you can always go back to your AliExpress orders, find the tracking number manually, and update it in your alidropship store. What about unforeseen circumstances? Sometimes products go out of stock, suppliers might be slow, or there could be a quality issue. This is where your vigilance comes in. If an item is out of stock on AliExpress, the plugin will notify you. In such cases, you'll need to find an alternative supplier for the same product. Or if that's not possible, contact your customer to offer a refund or a suitable alternative. Transparent communication is key here. Similarly, if you notice consistent delays or quality issues from a specific supplier, it's time to find a new one. Your supplier relationships are paramount to your dropshipping success. For even greater efficiency, ensure your alidropship settings are optimized. In the alidropship settings under General or Order Fulfillment, you'll find options to enable automatic order fulfillment, automatically change order statuses, and retrieve tracking numbers. Make sure these are all enabled. This maximizes the automation, freeing up your time to focus on marketing and growing your business. Some advanced users also leverage alidropship's bulk order placement feature for multiple orders at once, which can be a huge time saver if you have a high volume of sales. Remember, while the automation is powerful, your human touch is what builds trust. Even with automated emails, a personalized message, or a quick update during an unexpected delay can go a long way in cultivating happy, repeat customers. Processing alidropship orders effectively isn't just about moving products. It's about managing expectations and building a reputable brand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.